a day. Saturday morning, gotta go to work. It is what it is, but we got the cameras rolling. I haven't even really fucking used the 360 in a minute. The video editing with that 360, a little bit of a learning curve. And I've just been kind of fucking lazy, but I guess that's my problem. So I just need to start using it. And really, I mean, the thing wasn't fucking cheap, all right? So, but there is one thing I can't figure out, and I see these things mounted on the back of cars, obviously on sport bikes doing 180. But I had bought a selfie stick for the thing, and a reinforced one at that. Strapped it to the sissy bar. Didn't really hang it out too high, but for some reason it started twisting off. So then I went ahead and bought the case for it. But yeah, I went ahead and bought the case for it, so it has the GoPro like prongs that go down. And I guess maybe that could be my solution, but I don't know how the fuck y'all are running these cameras on the back of your bikes and cars. How I see them. Like, because I just see them being twisted on like how it would normally. I don't know. But I noticed that shit twisting off, so something to keep an eye on. Maybe you haven't even noticed, but a little sketch if you ask me. Bike feels good this morning. I did the 3-hole oil change. I put AMSOIL in all 3 holes. I have less noise coming out the engine, and the transmission seems to love it. This is the first time I've swapped out the transmission fluid. It's for this entire time been running the Harley Davidson brand. But I said fuck that. We'll go ahead and just start running AMSOIL everywhere. And you know how Harleys have that first gear like clunk? There's been ever since I've changed the oil, that clunk has, like, watch here, let me do it right here. Oh, we'll go to neutral. All right. I mean, it feels smoother. It doesn't, you know. It doesn't like feel like it's forced in. It just kind of glides into gear. Yeah, I don't know. Test it out for yourself. Run some AMSOIL in that bitch. The bike's loving the weather this morning. It's not too hot, not too cold. I mean, it feels very responsive. You could tell when it heats up outside, up towards the 90s. You could just tell a little bit of a performance decrease, especially under full throttle. You don't feel that quick pickup and that hard pull throughout the entirety of the RPMs, but early mornings, late evenings, when that temperature drops to 70 and below, bike runs fucking mint, dude. But that's with anything, and on motorcycles, any kind of loss of power is so much more noticeable than in a vehicle, car. And that's exactly why I just came into the middle lane, because of situations just like that. Yeah, we'll go ahead and cut the line here. Not really in the mood to sit in line. Hate lines. Hate lines, brother. Oh, look, perfect. Love that for me. The sketch effect, it's real. You know, when that first started popping off, I had no idea what the fuck was even going on, but dude's actually pretty cool. It's nice to see normal, genuine people are getting exposure, you know, and being successful and enjoyed by a large community versus A-list celebrities who do nothing for the community except... Okay, that's enough of that. Oh, man. There we go. Got the sea breeze, baby. Feels nice out here. I should be on the goddamn boat. I shouldn't be going to work right now. It's only a 30-minute thing to do. Won't be too bad. That's why I decided to record, man. It's a good day. It's a good day. But I have been, every time I've been driving around, I've been finding new spots to not only take photos, but just new areas to ride out here. Back when I rode out here, what, 9 years ago, roughly, when I lived here, you know, I just rode around and drove to house parties. I never cared about the ride itself, like the scenic views and the road conditions and all that. I just wanted a fucking motorcycle, so I just rode. But coming from California, being able to experience the mountains and stuff, I like this scenic part of motorcycles now. Yo, I hate when normal people drive these Ford, I don't even want to know. But you can never, especially in all black or an all white one, you can never tell if it's a cop or not. Especially when they got the fucking black rims going on. I don't know if y'all can see it, but they got the black rims going on, all black. They got lights on the mirrors and shit. It all looks like a cop to me, you know? And I'm just not trying to deal with that. Yeah, from a distance, I don't care what you say, you won't know if that's a cop or not. From the front, the back, you can kind of tell because you can't. But in your rear view, there ain't nothing you know. Oh, I love the torque on Harleys, dude. I can't speak for anything but the Milwaukee 8 engine, but I love the fucking torque that's on this bike. And it's still not even fucking built. It's just exhaust and tune. Stock air cleaner. I mean, what? You know? The fucker pulls. Oh, and finding neutral with this new oil change in the transmission has been a blessing. I find it going down from second into first now. Like, I can't just tap it, it'll go into neutral. It's not even a question anymore. I don't have to go down to first and up to neutral anymore.